Hi guys, it's me again, Beb, and I'm back here with another Gemini Jet. This time, it's the Atlas Air 747-400 free. Now this is a very cool model because the very front nose comes up. It's nice in there. You can see like the lines. I don't know if the camera can get it, but you can see the lines that like mark where it comes up. So now I'm gonna open the package. There it is. Another something like that United 737. Okay, but just easier. It's good that I don't have to pop the landing gear on again. I want to see this nose open. How does this pop? Now I just need to get this through. I finally opened it. Now that comes off. That's weird. But this goes on, up. That is where it goes in. I mean, I see a lot of these things on TV, but just never have to build a Gemini Jet. Now, I want to show you how to open the door. On the other side, we go here. Just gotta get in there. I think you put it in. There. I think. Yep, and it pulls out. Okay. That it. Think. Do you put it in like that? That is a. Yes. So now it's like that. Put that in. Put that on. Then on the other side, there's also some. There it goes. Then same thing as the big one. Without any problems. Good boy.
Okay, go.
Now we just need to get that in. That in? Yep, it is in. Just the box. There's the nose. So you see the nose up, the cockpit area. I don't know what these things on the top are for, but they sure are good. I mean, they make it look like a plane. You got the cockpit door on each side. You got the 3 windows. You got both the engines. Have you ever noticed that the one on the far side is higher than the one closest to the body? Got the back door. Got that side's door. We got that wing, the winglets, the nice tail with, I think is probably my favorite tail. The tail wing details. This isn't as detailed on the wings as my 737 that's in the United paint job. I would definitely recommend this if you are a person interested in like collecting like this. I would highly recommend you to do it very carefully because it could break easily. And if it breaks, it's probably going to be very expensive. So definitely be very careful with this. I'm gonna just display this. So that's the end of the video, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this on different airlines, planes, different kinds of planes. So I hope you all enjoyed, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.